In this question, it is given that let A vector is equal to this, A dot B equal to 1 and A cross B equal to I minus j, then the vector A minus 6B is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. I will do this question by two ways. First way requires more practice of this chapter and that is short also. And for second way, you need not be very strong in this chapter. But I will say the first way is smart. As we have to find the value of A minus 6B and vector A is already known to us, just we have to find the vector B only. And to find the vector B, we'll be using these three informations. Before I do this question, I would like that you should know this formula that A cross B cross C, that is vector triple product. This is always equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. That is first dot third into second minus first dot second into third. As A dot B is already known to me and vector A is also known to me, I take cross product with vector A on both sides. I get A cross B is equal to A cross I minus j, and this means A dot B into A minus dot A into B equal to A cross I minus j. Now A dot B is already known to me, vector A is known to me. A dot A is very easy to calculate because vector A is known to me, and this is also very easy to find. And after putting all the values, I will get the value of vector B. As it is given that A dot B is 1, hence I get A minus, now A dot A. Clearly A dot A will be 3. That is I get 3B equal to A cross I minus j. Let us first find the value of A cross I minus j, that is I, j, k, 1, minus 1, 0 and minus 1, 1. That is equal to I plus j plus 2k. As A is minus I minus j plus k minus 3b equal to I plus j plus 2k. Hence 3b is equal to minus 2i minus 2j minus k. Therefore 6b equal to minus 4i minus 4j minus 2k. Hence A minus 6b, which is minus I minus j plus k minus 6b is minus 4i minus 4j minus 2k, minus 4i minus 4j minus 2k, that is 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Hence I can say second choice is the correct choice. And to find the value of vector B with the help of three given conditions, let vector B equal to alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k. Once alpha, beta, gamma are found, well, I will get the value of vector B. For this, I will require three relations between alpha, beta and gamma. First relation I will get with the help of this A dot B equal to 1. Therefore, A dot B equal to 1 implies that minus I minus j plus k dot alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k equal to 1. That is, I get minus alpha minus beta plus gamma equal to 1. This is first relation between alpha, beta and gamma. And second, A cross B equal to I minus A. That is, A cross B equal to I minus J. A means minus I minus J plus K cross alpha I plus beta J plus gamma K equal to I minus J. That is, I J K minus 1 1 alpha beta gamma equal to I minus J, and it means I into minus gamma minus beta minus J into minus gamma minus alpha plus K into minus beta plus alpha equal to I minus J. And comparing the coefficients of I, J and K, I get minus gamma minus beta equal to 1, gamma plus alpha equal to minus 1, minus beta plus alpha equal to 0. But note that it's not possible to find the value of alpha, beta and gamma with the help of these three relations, because these three are not independent relations. If you add these two equations, you will be getting this. That is, this relation is surely satisfied once these two relations are satisfied. Hence, to find the value of alpha, beta, gamma, I will take the help of this relation also, which I had derived in the very beginning, and that was minus alpha minus beta plus gamma equal to 1. To find the value of alpha, beta and gamma, from here I get the value of beta in terms of gamma, that is minus gamma minus 1. From here I get the value of alpha in terms of gamma, that is alpha equal to minus 1 minus gamma, and I get gamma plus 1 plus 1 plus gamma equal to 1. That is, I get 3 gamma equal to minus 1, that is gamma equal to minus 1 by 3. Hence, I get beta equal to minus 2 by 3 and alpha also equal to minus 2 by 3. Hence, I conclude that B vector equal to minus 2 by 3 I minus 2 by 3 J minus 1 by 3 K. And now 6B is equal to minus 4I minus 4J minus 2K, and hence A minus 6B equal to minus I minus J plus K minus 4I minus 4J minus 2K. That is 3I plus 3J plus 3K, that is 3 into I plus J plus K. Hence, I conclude that second choice is the correct choice.